Shiraj bhai, let's make a video.
Now you want to make a video, man? Quite sleeping though, man. Why you want to wake me up? Come closer. So guys, this is actually not my bedroom, but looks like a bedroom. Quite huge, spacious. So I thought, let me just take a final nap. सोचा कि सो जाऊं थोड़ी देर. This looks like a bedroom of mine, but this is not actually a bedroom. Quite spacious, you know. ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ ಗಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ. Quite ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ. ರೂಮ್ ತರ ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. So this is almost like, you know, sleeping space for you, where two adults can actually sleep. Do you want to actually know what kind of car this is? Let me show you what car this is. Here it is. Have a look. That's the magic. So here it is, folks. As you saw, the beast, the XUV 500 from Mahindra, the W10 2016 model diesel automatic variant, top end variant. The beautiful beast, about 720-liter boot space, where you can make a nice living room, a bedroom of your own. You got a large family, luggage space, or kids can sleep, two adults can sleep over across. A great car, a great XUV 500, a great sports utility vehicle for you for a long drive, luxury drive. At this difficult times, we are not able to get outside. This is the car where you can drive with FWD 4-wheel front wheel drive, W10 Mahindra XUV 500, 2016 model, diesel automatic, 2.2-liter MHOG diesel engine. The car comes mated with automatic 6-speed automatic gearbox. This is an imported automatic gearbox from Japan, which is the Aisin gearbox, which is one of the best in class from Japan, which is almost the same gearbox used in the Ssangyong cars as well, which is the Korean brand too. So beautiful car, mated with the automatic engine, gives a nice horsepower of just 340 Nm of torque speed and 140 bhp of torque bhp speed as well, and gives a good mileage of about 13.5 in city and about 16 on highways, depending on driver and the driving condition. During the entire review, I'll explain the entire condition of the car, mechanical features, interiors, analysis, more details, more features, and the loan detail will all be explained. The 2016 model Mahindra XUV 500 W10, the second owner, driven just 70,000 kilometers, has brand new insurance valid till next year April 2021. So basically ನಿಮಗೆ ₹1 ಖರ್ಚ ಗಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. You don't have to spend ₹1 on the car as well. The car is priced at just 13,75,000 only. 13,75,000 rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Slightly negotiable. You also get up to 90% loan on this car. 5 ವರ್ಷದ ಲೋನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 years loan as well. That means make a down payment just 50,000 rupees and ನೀವು ಈ ಗಾಡಿದು ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಓನರ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ 1 ವರ್ಷ ವಾರಂಟಿನೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Warranty will cover on engine, gearbox and clutch. So let's see, have a look at the car and more features on this crimson red beautiful XUV 500. Like I said, it has excellent body line, crimson red, no accident, nothing till date on the car, beautifully maintained, no scratches, no dents, nothing, quite muscular in feature. You go back, I'll show you the entire thing. Very neat and crisp. As you can see, entire doors right there, no paint, pre-paint, nothing at all. You can see all the doors are company seal condition, all intact, no accidents, nothing. Even the A-pillars are all in genuine and in original condition right there. At the back side door too, as you can see, quite neat and clean, no accidents, nothing. All the pillars and the joints are all in genuine condition. Even the C-pillar is also on the roof, everything is all genuine, no accident there. Small touch-up paint done on the quarter panel and the backside bumper. Like small scratches here. Bumper also one round scratch there. Quite visible on the corners as well on the boot space, I can see. No accident, nothing on the boot space too. Quite genuine here. An entire nice boot space, as you can see. I folded the seats. The car comes with 720 liters of entire boot space. The entire bedroom of your own can be done on this car. That's the best part at the back seat. If I open up the seats, right there. Show you. So you have almost nil boot space if you fold the seats here back, but you can have a luggage space compartment outside. On the left side of the borderline, you can see the entire borderline very neat, clean, no accidents, no touch up, no replacements, nothing on the car, no scratches as well. Car is crisp and clean and shining. You can see in the left side of the back door, company seal can is all intact on the left side back door as well, and even the seat pillars of the car you can see are all intact and genuine and in original in condition. No accidents there. On the left side too, bonnet. You can see the left side too is all front door is all genuine in condition. No accident, nothing here. All genuine in condition, and even the A pillars also are all good and genuine. The tires coming back comes with all 4 tires are all in alloys, and you get all tires are about 60 to 70% in life left as well. It's all Bridgestone branded tires with alloys. So that's the right, and you can see front part too. Coming back, beautiful car on the aprons. Focus on the aprons here. The right side apron company seal can is all intact with chassis number, everything visible. The lower cross members, upper cross members, the headlight support, everything is all genuine and original. Even the left side apron, you can see the company seal conditions all intact here. No accident, nothing. As well, all genuine. Even the bonnet hoods are all double sealing, company sealing, all intact. Coming back on the engine, it comes with a 2.0 liter, 2.2 liter MHOG diesel engine. It's the best in class, good performance. The engine has been mated with an automatic gearbox, which is 6-speed automatic gearbox, Aisin gearbox from Toyota, from Japan as well. So the best in class, gives a 340 Nm of torque and 140 bhp of speed at 1800 rpm. That's the best in class. Plus gives a good mileage of about 13.5 in city and about 15 to 16 highways, depending on driver and the driving condition. The front grille, as you can see, these are new generation XUV 500 by Mahindra, which are nice, neat chrome grills, honeycomb grills in the front, and fog lamps with a little bit more sharper and focus headlights as well. Projector headlights right in the front, right here. We have the projector headlights too, with a very neat and clean condition, all classy. It comes with center locking with remote. The remote comes center locking like this, and you have side mirror indicators as well. The mirrors open and close when you lock the door and open the door, unlock and unlock. Coming back on the more features of the car, as you can see, it has all 4 doors, power windows here, electronic mirror adjustments, automatic mirror open and close options too, and you have the seat height and adjustments, automatic seat, electric seat height and length adjustments too, right there for the driver. At the back side as well, you have all 4 power windows at the back side too, and you have the footrest as well, glow lights, and for the back side rear passengers, you have the AC ones at the rear side too, right here, and even the last compartment as well, or right there, you have the AC compartments right there, AC control knobs, and you have the power output, charger output as well, where you can charge your power output, and the AC compartment right here, cup holders for the back side, quite good. 2 adults can easily sit at the back side as well. Mostly this is the 8-seater car variant to come from that side. Now talking more on the car, it's a beautiful car. As you can see right there, by system, you have a touchscreen multimedia ICE system right there. Beautiful one. In fact, the car is going to talk to you. It's a talking variant. It has Bluetooth, steering control, cruise control modes right there on the steering. This car comes loaded with all safety features of what 8 airbags. You have 1 airbag here, 2nd airbag right there. You have 3rd airbag right on the corner, 4th airbag right here, and you have 5th airbag right on the pillow on the driver's side, and the 6th airbag right, one more on the passenger side, and there are 2 more airbags right inside the seats right here as well. So 2 airbags here as well. So overall about 8 airbags right in front of you, you will get right there. And the best part on this one, on the coming back on the dashboard, is you have the automatic climate control, AC control, rear AC defogger, auto defogger as well, and you have the multimedia touchscreen music system, where you have all the info video of all your car details, everything detail over here about the tires, about the car, about the reverse camera with sensors, park assist as well, everything there built in. As you can see, you have the alert info if there is anything, service info, if there is any service due, this car is going to tell you. But right now all services have been done on the car. We have the electronic manual as well. This will tell you exactly about the car details too, about the automatic details, everything, transmission you want to know. The car talks to you, and you can know the entire features of the car, a small demo of the car also on the video, a built-in video memory as well on the car as well. can see, so that's the automatic gearbox that we're talking about right there, which over here is the 6-speed automatic gearbox. This is a Aisin gearbox. It's an imported gearbox by from Japan, which they have bought. 6-speed one where you have parking mode, reverse mode, neutral and drive mode, and manual and shift lock release as well. You know how to drive the shift lock release, and you have 2 glove box compartments here right there for cup holders, and you have the a small mini fridge, a cool glove box compartment right there. You can keep something cold as well. You can have your cold drinks, soft drinks right there, and this compartment will be cold as well. And you have a small box too right there for a cup holder as well. Tickets too, and you have lots of more dashboard rooms here. You can have your tickets, whatever, sunglasses to be kept. You have one more room on the dashboard here, one more here as well. So you have plenty of room covered on the space, and overall on the roof as well you have for your sunglasses too. And the best part is the sunroof. Just show them the sunroof, please. As you can see, this is a automatic sunroof, beautiful one to drive in. Excellent feature. In fact, you can make a nice room out of the back space and a nice sunroof across. You don't need AC too. So that's the best part of the XUV500. It's a W10 variant, 2016 model, automatic diesel 2.2 liter diesel variant. It's a second owner, company to individual transferred, driven just 70,000 kilometers on record, and has brand new insurance valid till next year, April 2021. Tires are about 70% too. So basically you don't have to spend a single rupee on this car. All you have to do is just make a down payment of 50,000 rupees. Bari 50,000 down payment ಮಾಡಿ and ee ಗಾಡಿ ನೀವು proud owner ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. You can be a proud owner of this car by just giving a down payment of just 50,000 rupees. The car is priced at just 13,75,000 only, which is a very good price, a competitive market price, a fair price. This car, this kind of features, lots of more features, luxury features in fact, where you can make a bed out of the space, you know, lots of leg room across. You can have a recliner space as well, stretch your legs too, many more features loaded onto it. So folks, it's a beautiful XUV500 Mahindra to a W10 2016 model, second owner with insurance, everything, top end with sunroof, diesel automatic car, price at just 13,75,000 only. Easy loans, plus 1-year warranty on Instagram, and send me high request on WhatsApp so that you can get the latest alert of inventory on our WhatsApp groups as well. Thank you so much for watching Cars Life. Thank you. Go on, Ram.